Are you ready to transform your living space with a touch of modern elegance and quality craftsmanship? Look no further than alphafurnishings.com. Alphafurnishings.com is your go-to destination for premium metal and acrylic furniture legs that are truly exceptional. They have a wide range of sizes and a spectrum of vibrant colors so that you'll find the perfect match for your furniture. They provide excellent customer service too and can even customize items for you. Their exclusive features make each furniture leg a masterpiece just waiting to enhance your home decor. Whether you want to have a contemporary makeover of your sofa or a cabinet that's in need of chic transformation, alphafurnishings.com has you covered. Their goal is to make a difference in furniture design. They create innovative products that can save and modernize your furniture. They've gone from a small apartment to 2 warehouses, and they have a simple message: small spending, large return, and an instant facelift. Elevate your home with alphafurnishings.com. You can also find them on Etsy. Just search for Alpha Modern Furnishing. Go right now to alphafurnishings.com. Don't wait. Some items have limited supplies and will be running out soon. You deserve a modern and exquisite living room makeover and transformation. Go right now to alphafurnishings.com. That's alphafurnishings.com.